Now, your first alert forecast with Chief Meteorologist Ted King.
And hello once again, everybody. Hope you're enjoying your St. Patrick's Day, and we have a lot to talk about, so we'll just jump in quickly here. The visible satellite imagery, always a great tool. You can really see the different layers of the atmosphere, this west to east flow aloft, fast flow aloft, and then you see down at the lower levels of the atmosphere that moisture just flying out of the Gulf of Mexico on a southerly flow. It's a little breezy out there today. You may have to hang on to your hats, but that's because that air is just flying in off the Gulf of Mexico, bringing in a lot of moisture into the region. 74 in Dothan right now, and there's that southerly wind, and the dew points in the upper 60s across the region. We'll show you more of those in just a moment. But hello, Ozark, 74 as well, and Geneva, hello to you, 74, and Blakely at 73. Donaldsonville up to 78 degrees, as well as Boniface, spilling into the lower 80s later today. If we get enough sun anyway, if we don't get any sun, we stay in the upper 70s. But there are those dew points. The atmosphere is just chock full of moisture, very juicy atmosphere, and this moisture a key ingredient, okay, for the formation of severe weather. Also, what you see around severe weather usually are temperature contrasts. Look at Amarillo, only at 31, while it's 79 down at the Big Easy, and you see this area of warmer air, so you kind of know that something may well be going on when you see those colder temperatures off to the north and west. And right you are, nothing going on right now, but keep in mind, just like early this morning, a thunderstorm could pop any time in this very humid air. But off to the north and west, look at it, already seeing tornado watches. I don't know if you could see those at home. Tornado watches already from the Storm Prediction Center in this area. Now, there will be more posted as the day progresses. But here's what we have going on. A real strong upper-level trough, this U-shape in the jet stream. It's oriented a little farther to the west than I have depicted here, but it's on the move. It's moving eastward, and it's on the east side of the trough where you find the severe weather, especially at this time of year. And with that, watch. Now, the Storm Prediction Center, boom, bullseye right here. And the severe weather outlook is high. You don't often see this in these severe weather outlooks, but we're seeing it with this storm, so well, with this trough, I should say. So you know this has got quite a bite to it. Now, they don't put a severe weather outlook overnight. They do it for the next day. But overnight tonight, this color scheme, if you will, shifts eastward over the top of us. And as the trough shifts eastward, it continues to shift eastward. So by tomorrow morning, we're still in the zone where there's severe weather is possible. But that will be diminishing quickly tomorrow or later on in the morning as the morning progresses. So severe weather early in the day possible, as well as late tonight. So let me show you the hour by hour, and thunderstorms just blossoming all across the southeast. We're watching this line right here. Now, thunderstorms could be popping in this humid air out ahead of that main line, but then the main line continues to move eastward, entering the Wiregrass area roughly at around 4 o'clock this morning, according to this computer model, and cutting the Wiregrass just about in half at the 6 o'clock hour, and getting on out of here by 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. And once that gets out of here, a much more tranquil weather scenario will be in place. So warm and humid, showers and thunderstorms possible this afternoon. And then over tonight, some severe thunderstorms possible, especially towards morning. Damaging winds, large hail, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning possible with these storms. Also, tornadoes are possible. A few tornadoes are not out of the question, and that'll be the threat will be lingering into early tomorrow. We're in the 70s tomorrow, and we'll see sunshine in the afternoon tomorrow, and then some pretty tranquil weather, all things considered, Friday right on into the middle part of next week.